Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to organize beads. I have been kind of crazy busy having fun making dangles and keychains and stuff like that. Look at how cute that is. So I wanted to organize my stuff and I thought I'd bring you guys along. So if you like the content you like, please subscribe and please like and subscribe. Sorry about that. So yeah, here we go. So I've got these containers. Oh, they came with a lot. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I got 12 of them for like $5 or $6 at Hobby Lobby. Then I got this, which was $3.99, and that's what these are, and I just love them. So I thought these are like little plastic kind of, and I like them, but I'm gonna put them in here somehow without, so I can have better, see them a little better, because they're all a little different, unlike these where they're all the same. You know, these have different sizes, but that's not a big deal. You know, different food ones. I thought these would be fun as little charms for like a food journal, which I just got one finished. I'll be doing the decorations ones, will be coming up soon, if not already up. So I hope everyone is doing good. Gosh, there's got to be an easier way to get these out. We're good here. I've been having fun making a lot of keychains and dangles and stuff, like I said. So I've been buying a lot more of this type of stuff. These have little flowers. Look how cute those flowers are. And all of these I got at Hobby Lobby. A lot of the charms that I have, I got off of Amazon, I believe. Let's see if I can hide all of this so it doesn't come up and get those out. There we go. Okay, a little fun. So these are all different sizes, but I still put them in the same container, same hole. Sorry if you hear background noise and cats fighting. My cats have been running up and down the stairs fighting with each other. I think we're going to put these in their own because it does not look like they'll fit in there. Yeah. All right. There we go. And I will put this extra one elsewhere. Okay. There is no rhyme or reason on how I organize these beads or where I put what. All right. So now we have these are little flat black buttons. So I got these off of a channel on TikTok. I do not know which. I can put the link down below. But I know I wanted it somewhat easier to get at than these bags. And I plan on making like this type of stuff with it. How fun is that? I have some other ones coming. Don't know what I'm going to do with those. These cute little hearts back in here. All right. Get that one. And then this is a C one. I have a feeling we might be able to put this whole thing in here. I don't know. Maybe. Yes, it will fit. Here we go. Okay. We are going to dump this in here. All this little bling stuff. I'm not sure which one it came out of. We're just going to throw it in here. A little fishy. I know some of these glow in the dark. They really like to stick to your hands. Oh my goodness. Okay. So here's what I like to started doing. I started making little dangle charms with this. This is a recipe journal I have. I made a little charm with it. So fun. Okay. Thank you for joining me in this quick little organizing. Still have more to go, and I'm not sure where I'm going to put this in the craft area, but so far it's looking good. So thank you, and if nobody told you today, you're appreciated. You are loved. I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.